Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you why you can see if somebody saw your profile. So this is a feature inside TikTok that you must actually enable if you want it to be live on your end. So what you want to do is you want to open up TikTok. Once you open up your TikTok, you need to click on the top right on this like footsteps mark, and then you need to turn this on. So just click on turn on now, and it doesn't go like in the past. It only works from the moment you turn it on. So if I click on that, we can see that I don't have any profile view history, but when people start visiting my profile, I will get these notifications. And if you want to turn it off, go same thing, but now go to the top right and just click on this thingy, and now it's turned off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if this video didn't help you out, let me know what is the problem and I will do my best to help you.